Well, welcome back to Travels with Bert. And once again, we're not where I expected to be. Right now we're in Phetchaburi province, whereas I expected to be in Ratchaburi province. And you probably have no idea where either of those are. When I left you last time, where were we? The one with the dragon, right? Wat Sampran. I had expected to continue going due west into Ratchaburi province. But I had forgotten that this is the big holiday week of Songkran, when just about everybody takes a whole week off. And they get out of Bangkok and they go to anywhere they can, including Ratchaburi. So all of the reasonably priced places to stay that I'd found were fully booked. So we're in Phetchaburi. And behind me you can see Kaeng Krachan Dam, which was built I think in 1996. It's actually a multi-purpose dam. It was built as a hydroelectric dam. It provides fresh water to the Phetchaburi area. And of course there's lots of wildlife here, and it's a recreational area. Now, it was a very interesting drive here this morning. It's about 45 kilometers, I guess, from Phetchaburi city. And here's a few shots I took along the way. The rice fields, I think, are particularly attractive this time of the year. And even though I'm not a green person, I probably would never wear green clothes or buy a green car, but I think the rice fields look particularly attractive. Oh, and I also found this thing sitting outside a resort. Really no idea why it was there, but it was nice to have a wander around. Anyways, the good news is, probably in this video I'm not going to do much talking, because we really want to have a look around at the reservoir. So before we leave here, we'll have a quick look from upstairs and then we'll move on. So that's the Kaeng Krachan Reservoir. It's a pretty extensive place. We're back almost where we started right now, but I've driven about 40 minutes down that way and of course 40 minutes back, and I've only seen a fraction of it. There's actually roads on the other side too, so I'm thinking I might leave this on my list of places to visit, because it would be nice to come back sometime. I could happily spend a few days within the national park. There's all kinds of resorts and restaurants and cafes, and yeah, I could have a good time here. As I mentioned at the beginning, we're in Phetchaburi province and there's a lot to see here. I've been doing a little bit of research over the last few days because I wasn't actually expecting to come here. There's beaches and there's temples. Of course there's temples, there's always temples. But there's a lot of other interesting places to visit, so stay tuned for the next few videos and you'll see more of Phetchaburi province. And now, of course, if you haven't subscribed, you might miss them, so why not do that now? But I'm going to wrap this one up because it's about 38 degrees in the shade and I'm not in the shade. So for now, it's goodbye from Bert and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye!